everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to bypass the Microsoft account requirement during the Windows 11 setup. When you reach the setup screen asking for a Microsoft account, if you're on a laptop, press Fn plus Shift plus F10. For desktop users, press Shift plus F10 to open Command Prompt. In Command Prompt, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. This opens your network adapters. Find your active network adapter, right-click on it, and select Disable to disconnect from the Internet. Minimize the network settings window and go back to Command Prompt. Type OOBE ByPass in row and press Enter. Your computer will restart and take you back to the setup screen, but this time you'll have the option to continue without a Microsoft account. Complete the setup process as usual. Once inside Windows, open the Start menu and search for View Network Connections. Find your disabled network adapter, right-click on it, and select Enable to reconnect to the Internet. And that's it. You've successfully bypassed the Microsoft account requirement on Windows 11. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.